footballed me.
Hey, I said 4. That means watch out.
4 means watch out in golf. You footballed me. You should have said hike.
Oh, yeah? How's this? Hike and 4.
Did someone yell hike and 4?
Did someone yell hike and 4?
Holy catnip, Ben! Holy catnip, Ben!
Gah! Oh, come on!
You're a genius! You're a genius! I love eating toenails. I love Ew, you're gross.
Wait, why am I a genius?
2 words. Best sports franchise ever. That's 4 words.
Here's 2.
Whatever! Tackle him!
4. Hike! Ow! I think I've invented a new game.
And we'll call it FOOF. Football and golf. It's perfect!
Disagree.
First things first. Before we play the game, we must focus on and perfect the most important part. Image.
Ta-da! Hey, you know what I'm thinking? Another sport.
The dot! It's back! Hey, I've taken gymnastics. That's it. Perfectest. We'll call it Foofnastics.
Oh, you know what I'm thinking?
Even more sports?
Exactly! For hike!
Tackle him!
Ow! Woohoo! Now it's the perfect game!
So what's it called? Foofnastic Collie Dive Basket Ski Ball.
Perfect! That's brilliant!
That's brilliant!
Yeah, don't worry about me.
Brilliant!
I'm totally fine. I'll just be malting over here, alone, under the bleachers.